Oh, good. Okay, this is a manicure vacuum. Oh, finally, you know, I need these. I do my own nails at home, and I have those sanders, and you know, with all the glue residue, we should not be breathing that. If you do your own these days, a lot of people do their own nails at home. I highly recommend it to either wear a mask or consider one of these. I'm really excited to do this because I hate wearing masks. I bought 2 of them. This is one for my nails and the other one for my DIY project. I thought I'm going to get one that is for the drywall sanding, for the wood sanding, anything that we're doing on our desks, because you know, in the garages it's different. I've got the shop vac and things like that, and you're more in an open area and you're more upright, and I do have the mask, but this is different when you're sitting on a desk. You're so close to the project. This one, I'm going to give you a little test run. This is exciting. So let me open this. There were different variations as well, and I like this one because it had a little pad area for you to rest your hand, so you could put your nail on top. So I'll come up close to show you. See, you can put your hand and nail right on top. So some of them didn't have this place here, and it's like a leather. Oh, there you go. You can remove it and clean it. Oh, I like that. That stays in place. It's like magnetic. And so there's your filter to remove. I gotta read. I don't think you can wash them. You can vacuum them. There's the plug. And I also pay attention to the watts. You know, some things have, you know, watts, and some are with the other term on there, voltage, and then there's another one. So I also compare when buying them is which are more powerful in the wattage and things like that, because you don't want to buy something that's going to be low speed on the fans and things like that, right? It's another thing that to pay attention to. So that's what it is, manicure vacuum cleaner. And it's got adjustable speed.